everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my Pandora's box for the month of April. Yay! I am really excited to see what we got in this month's box. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. I am really stoked to be showing you guys this month's edition of Pandora's box. It is a very special it has a very special sub theme, and I do want to let you guys know that this bag was sent to me. I did not purchase this month's bag. It was sent to me. Thank you so much to Amy at the Pandora's box team for sending me this. I really do appreciate it. That's not going to sway my opinion on the bag or the products inside of it. You guys know the drill on that. So let's just go ahead, talk about the bag, and dive on in. So as you guys know, with Pandora's box, they do not send out the 2-page mailer. They send everything electronically through email. So all the information is on my tablet. I will be looking down right here to read what we got going on. Of course, you know, their main theme of the product is empowering women through history. This month's sub theme is autism awareness, because April is Autism Awareness Month. It is something very close to me. I do have a few people in my life that do have autism or on the autism spectrum, and for them to do this type of bag was just really meant a lot to me. So let's go ahead and dive into this bag to see what goodies we got for the month of April. So this is the mailer it comes in, and here's our bag. It's got little ladybugs on it. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and open her up. The first item I want to pull out is very, very special because it is the first eyeshadow palette that they have done, and it is from the brand Makeup Slayve. This is it right here. It's so cute. I love this packaging. It says Pandora's Box Autism Acceptance Eyeshadow Palette. This is so pretty. Oh my god. That is super pretty. Oh, okay, let's read about this before we swatch it. From Makeup Slayve, a 4-pan palette that can be used for a cohesive look. This palette was designed especially for Pandora's Box Autism Acceptance Edition to celebrate everyone connected to the field of autism. There have been so many advances in the field, yet there is still much further we need to go as a society. Recognizing that everyone has a place, a talent, and the significance in life is a good place to begin. Oh, I love it. Let's go ahead and swatch it real quick. Ooh. Ooh. These mattes are super, super soft. Like, really soft. I mean, to the point that it's producing a lot of kickback. That's how soft they are. I'm just going to tap. I'm not going to rub. And so are these metallics. You get 2 mattes and 2 metallic shades. That's what they look like on my finger. No primer on my hand as always. Ooh. Yeah, there is a lot of fallout and a lot of kickback as I'm swatching. But that's really pretty. That's a look right there. That is super pretty. Makeup Slayve, you killed that. I love that. Next item we have is, ooh, it is from the brand Pretty Ghouls. Jewelry, clothing, and accessories for the living and the dead. Okay. This is cute packaging. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, it is a pretty ring. That is really pretty. Oh, come on. You see my light bouncing off of it. That is like super pretty. All right. It says here, from Pretty Ghouls, an adjustable handmade ring in honor of Daryl Hannah. Diagnosed in childhood with autism, doctors advised that she would be institutionalized and medicated. Daryl defied all odds and, as we all know, went on to become an amazing actress in Hollywood. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. I wonder what movie this is from. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm not a movie buff. So if you happen to know what movie this character is in, pop it in the comments down below. This is for, ooh, this is from the brand Gold Skull. It is a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Diamonds and Rust. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and handmade in Canada. Cool. Let's go ahead and swatch. I like this packaging. These indie brands are really bringing it when it comes to their packaging. Ooh, super soft. Ooh. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's got that nice shift to it. Also, the sparkle in it. That's really pretty. It says, from Gold Skull Cosmetics, a full-size pressed shadow in honor of Haley Moss. I absolutely adore her story and encourage everyone to read up on all of her amazing accomplishments. My favorite quote from her is, "My advice is to not set limits. Being different isn't less. It isn't bad, it's just different, and different can be extraordinary." In January of 2019, she was accepted to the Florida bar, becoming the first openly autistic lawyer. She is truly an inspiration to all. It's nice. I like that. Alrighty, let's see what is next. We have a pair of earrings from Simply MME Creations, handmade creations with heart. They are 2 red ribbons. And it says here, a gorgeous pair of earrings inspired by autism acceptance. Decades ago, autism was very commonly thought of as the movie Rain Man. I like to think we have come so much further in awareness of what the terms autism or autistic actually encompasses. Now it is the time for some much needed acceptance. That is really cool. I really do like those. Okay, looks like we have a glitter from LeLe Posh Cosmetics in the style Lady Hawk. Ooh. I don't know if she is supposed to look like this or if something got in it, but it's okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I totally just put it on the wrong finger. I don't know why I put it on my left hand. Ooh. That's nice. That's super pretty. It says here, from LeLe Posh Cosmetics, a full-size glitter gel cream in honor of Lady Hawk. Born Philippa Margaret Pip Brown, she took the stage name Lady Hawk from the 1985 film Lady Hawk. Okay. A brilliant New Zealand-born musician, she struggled with many childhood illnesses, and her allergies to antibiotics made her recovery very difficult. During this time, she was also diagnosed with Asperger's. Okay, our next item we have is from Notoriously Morbid. It is a loose pigment in the shade #red instead. Let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, this is pretty. Is that right there? Super pretty. It says, from Notoriously Morbid, a mini shadow inspired by the #RedInstead movement, a slogan that supports autistic people to freely express themselves. Red Instead promotes respect and acceptance towards autistic individuals and is a more meaningful way to promote the autistic community. Cool, I like that. All right, and we have one more item. It is actually a sample multi-purpose mineral pigment from BTFE Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Diva. Ooh, that is super pretty. Ooh, I really like that. That is really, really pretty. It says on here, from Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics, a mini sample of Diva to honor Susan Boyle. From childhood, it was believed that a difficult birth had deprived Susan of oxygen and therefore caused her learning disabilities. It wasn't until 2012-2013 that she learned she had been misdiagnosed all those years ago and actually has Asperger's syndrome. She is most comfortable singing, which was apparent when she won Britain's Got Talent in 2009 and went on to become an international sensation. Her debut album, I Dreamed a Dream, became the UK's best-selling debut album of all time. That is pretty cool. I will be right back. I'm going to clean all this up, and then we're going to run down some prices. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down these prices for these products, and I will talk about my final thoughts as well. This is just a little sample, complimentary sample baggie from Beauty from the Earth Cosmetics. If you want to order the shade Diva, they have two sizes, as you guys know. This is the sample jar, which is $2.05, and this is the full-size jar, which is $6.60. These are just two totally different shades. I just pulled them out just for reference. The shadow from Gold Skull Cosmetics retails for $7.99. That's in Canadian currency. I do not know what that equals to in US dollars. So, yeah. If you guys know, pop it in the comments. That'd be great. I would look it up, but I'm too lazy. The glitter gel from LeLe Posh retails for $3, and that's not bad because this thing's packed with glitter in it. So that's not bad at all. The palette from Makeup Slayve retails for $25, and I know you guys are probably going to be like, oh my god, really? $25 for 4 eyeshadows? You also need to realize these are from an indie brand. They're handmade, they're hand pressed, and these shadows were made specifically for this box, for this edition of this box. So you're not going to be able to purchase these shades individually on their site. So yeah, I think that's really good when it comes to their pricing. The earrings are $8, and that does include shipping. The Notoriously Morbid shadow is $3, and the ring is $18. If there are any discount codes that are in this email, I will pop them in the description bar down below so you guys can use them. I don't think I have any for these brands personally, so any discount codes that are listed, they are not mine, so I won't earn anything off of them. I also will post a link down below in the description bar where you can pick up the May edition of Pandora's box. Pre-orders are still open. They are open until the 15th. May's box is a very special edition box because not only is there going to be a donation made for a charity, but I am going to match that donation and donate as well. So yeah, head on over to the Etsy page and the link down below. Order May's box. It's going to be great. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is super party because she looks like this. Don't forget that these shades are exclusive to this palette only. You cannot purchase these individually at all whatsoever. So if you want to get on the glitter goodness that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bad Squad, you're gonna have to pick this bad boy up. I do have a discount code that you guys can use to save 15% not only on this palette, but anything off Texas House of Glitters, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money off this discount code at all whatsoever. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. I really like this ring. I wonder how big it adjusts, because your girl's got some chunky fingers. It's really cute. I'm losing it big time. All right, that's better.